Let's take a quick trip to HomeGoods. HomeGoods has been putting out new outdoor patio sets, it seems like every time I come. I'm not sure if we saw this one before, but you get the whole set for $800. I love the color of the wood on this one. This one comes with all the padding, everything like that. I think we did see this one before, but I love the color on this one too. This one is $800. Again, comes with all the pieces. They have a ton of like those egg chairs at HomeGoods, but I like the way that this one is shaped. I like the colors in it. I don't think it comes with those two rust colored pillows, but I do think it comes with a cushion. $400 for that one is something nice and pretty. And then of course a ton of red, white, and blue decor. We've seen a few of these pieces before. I like this star right here. You can grab that for $17. They have a ton of other stuff. These little caddies, like for utensils and stuff like that, is the same price as the other ones we saw last time, $13. And then these napkins I thought were nice. They just look so pretty. You can even do a little DIY and make like custom artwork with these. Really good. These reusable straws, 12. You get a set of 12 for $4 for those. Thought those were nice. This set I think is another set we saw before, but it is just a really nice set. The color combo, everything. $1,000 for that right there. This a nice little like kind of bistro set. $250 for that right there. So right now is the time to grab outdoor patio sets, different things at HomeGoods. They have a ton. These little faux bushes, loved them. I have like a small little patio space and I think these will work great. So $150 for that height right there. You can see how thick they are. Just love them. If you needed something taller, they have this one right here for $200. And then they look great even around this little sofa, like kind of love seat kind of thing right here. $600 for that right there. I just thought that was just so great, those pieces. And then even like I said, together the combo, this right here, I don't know if it was part of the set, but this chair right here I thought was great. $600 for that right there. I don't think this is part of a set. I think the chair is just separate by itself. So if you're looking for outdoor, I'm telling you, HomeGoods right now, they have a lot of little metal pieces for outdoor. You can see this big flower right there for $80. They have other sizes, other colors. These fruit I thought was so cute. So everybody's coming out with their own version of like faux fruit. This, you get the whole bunch right there for like, that's ridiculous. The price is crazy for the whole bunch because it's a whole bunch of them. You can get them in oranges. This I thought was great. All right, so $25, and it's a little hose that you can carry around. Like I said, I have a small patio space, and that is great because I have to hook it up to my sink. This little bird right here I thought was cute. $60, and you just rest it on top of something. So it just, hugs it kind of. Thought that was great. These dishes right here, I think they are so pretty too. And then they have the tea sets. We saw some of these before, but just the print is so nice. So $6. They have them in different colors, but they do have them with matching bowls and things like that. That one $5. The blue is just like a classic kind of color. $5 for the bowl right there. Just super, super pretty. And then the tea sets, of course, so you can get the little teapot right there for $13. This one right here I thought was cute because it has like a double handle, so I'm wondering if you can is it two parts, but I don't know, it was like wrapped together. $13 for that. The little sugar creamer container right there, $5. They have a lot of bird bath options. This one I thought was super pretty. I didn't see a tag on it, but just the way the shape kind of like curves and then the stone look on it. Birdhouses, we saw these last year too. I didn't see a price on this one though, but the birdhouses are so cute, and you can just see like they have them in different like looks, but this is the one that they did have out right then. This birdhouse right here, another super nice one, $80 for that one right there. And you can see the size is a decent size by the things in it, so you can tell. These little reefs, okay, So the stars kind of give you like a holiday, but without giving you like the holiday vibe because of the white and the gold. $40 for that one. And then if you want to be more traditional, they have this one right here in the red, white, and blue, and it's the same, $40. And then they have this lemon one right here, so it kind of has like that Spanish kind of moss look, and then the faux leaves to it, and then the bunches of lemons. Thought that one was interesting. They have a lot of cute coolers, so all right, so this part comes off, so you can be able to, like, take this inside, fill this up, $60 for it, and then you'll carry it out by the handles or whichever, and place it back on top. They have another one over here, and this one has two separate buckets, so you can put two separate drinks or what have you and stuff. I didn't see a price on this one, but yeah, a lot of cute outdoor cooler options for your drinks and stuff. This I thought would make a nice serving tray or display, so $17, and you can like lay it down and make something really cute with that. This cart right here, so if you like live by a beach, or you need to get around in the summer with your stuff, you can grab this right here because it folds up nice, so it's like a adult wagon. you know these, I love, if you know me, I love noodle bowls. So $9 for these. They had a bunch of Disney type themes, other characters. $10 for that one right there, but just a ton of designs. And it's just great because the way the chopsticks rest. So if you like noodles, or a noodle lover, you should grab one of these. So $10, $9, not bad at all. This I thought was great. Make a great Father's Day gift. Okay, so it's a drink glass, but then it has like a holder for the cigar. So if like a cigar lover, or like I said, it'll make a great Father's Day gift. $20 for that, and it comes in a set, so you'll get more than one. These coral style pillows. So it's the whole pillow, and it has the stripe on the back, and then they have other like sea like themed Tommy Bahamas, so they have the shams, but they have the comforter that goes with it. So for $50 they have another style right there. So yeah, you can create like that whole summer vibe. This is part of the clearance right here. I just like the shape of this. The mint color is nice. It's on clearance for $22. Just something nice and different. Spring summer colored bathroom mats, because if you like to brighten up for the season, so that comes in a pack of two. It was separated though. $20 for those, and you could just see it's so bright and pretty. This is like a nice like the coral kind of colors, and this one right here, $15 for that. It's a pretty like mint color, so they have a ton of different options, so whatever color you want to do, you can grab those. These, we saw something like this at, what was it, Marshall's, TJ Maxx, but $10 for this set. I just think that's something cute to put out, like in your guest bathroom or something. These right here I think are great, especially if you live by the water. Like I live in Long Island, everything is by the water, right? But so yeah, just these beach type theme pieces, just so pretty for the season, and because it is like that getting that time of year. So yeah, these are something nice. And if you don't live by the beach, the flamingos might go well. So you can get like the towel for $8. You can get the hand towel sets, the wash rags. They had a ton of floaties. So these would be great too to take like on vacation, because you see the box is like that big. So $10 for that one. They have small ones, they have big ones. $13 for that one right there. They just have a ton of different options. They have the little life like floaties. $40 for this one right here. I think this one is going to be like a big size, because you can see the little person standing by it. Little picnic baskets, they have $35 for that. It's shaped like a little watermelon slice, or like a half a watermelon. You open it up, put your little goodies in, and go on about your day. So that's a cute little picnic one. And then they have like of course plates and all kind of things to go inside. They had a ton of furniture clearance still, so I would have thought that all the furniture clearance would have been gone by now, but they just um keep restocking it, or just putting out like new pieces. Some of the pieces are the same pieces that we did see before, but a lot of them are different pieces. So they have a lot of little side tables. This marble like one here, $80. This one with like the wood details here, you can see you get a good discount on that one right there, because it's down from $150. They have this chair right here, so $600, but it kind of gave me like that animal hide feel. I don't know if it was a real animal hide, but $550 for that one right there. This chair is kind of like a beading, and it kind of has like that retro vibe at the same time. $400 for that one right there. So yeah, HomeGoods has a ton of furniture clearance going on right now. So if you're looking for some furniture pieces, you might want to head on down there and see what yours has. They have dining chairs, they have accent chairs, just all kind of things. So $150 for this chair right here, the blue one, and then they have this one right here, which is on sale for $550, down from $700 right there. And I like the wood details on that one right there. This bookshelf, I'm realizing HomeGoods has a lot of good bookshelf deals. So $300 for that one. It's just like a basic bookshelf, but like the wood is nice. They have like credenzas, media cabinets, console tables, just all kind of things. Footstools, more side tables. This one right here, like the little drink table, $32 for that. Just a ton of different things. This I think is cute because it folds down, so that's like interesting. I think we saw this one before, but I can't remember if we saw it folded down. So that one is $79. They have this little blue side table right here, $99 for that. They have this dining chair right here, $99 for that. I love like the black and white with the rattan like details. This right here, you can save $100 on that. So it's down from $180 to $79 on that one right there. More cute black and white chairs. And then this is the chair upright. So that's how it looked folded down, and that's how it looked upright. This cabinet right here, so $800 for this cabinet. It has like a nice little distressing. It has the doors and everything, and it's down from $1,000. But I just want you to see it in comparison to the other bookshelf that was $300. This chair right here, we saw that one before, but $399 for that one right there. And then this one right here is on sale, down from $399. This table right here with the little details on top of it, kind of like the mosaic details, $69 for that. This sofa right here is $600 for this one right here. It kind of had like a little rough look to it. I don't know if that was intentional. This little table right here, love the little details in it, and that one is $144. Ton of mirrors. HomeGoods is always great for mirrors, so they have different ones, different styles. So you can see this one with a little like floating shelf kind of look to it. $32. This isn't like a big clearance on this one because it's just down from $40, but it is a decent sized mirror. And the frame is nice. This one right here, another nice shape. I just like different shapes and different things. So that one is down to $139 for that one right there. But like I said, just a ton of different mirror options. So if you like metal frames, if you like wood frames, if you like detailed frames, they have a lot of different options. And you can see they all have a little discount right now, at least at my HomeGoods. So this one you save $20 on that one. So you can get that one for $59. This one right here with the little details in it. This one, another one you save $20 on, so you get it for $79. And that one was a really good size. This black textured art. So it just caught my eye. I think I might have saw it before, but I don't know. But it's just something about it today that caught my eye. So it has the black frame, it has the black texture. They have bigger ones too. The front one, you had to see it like in person. It was giving kind of ashy just now. But $50 for this, and this is a set of 4, so you can see that piece comes out. You can put them all together like that, but that piece comes out and then you can separate them. They have different little textures right there. This sofa, I like the look of it. Just a lot of the Nordica pieces I like at HomeGoods. So $1,000 for this sofa right here, and it has like that clean, simple, but then it has the curves in it. I thought that was cute. It even looks nice next to this desk right here. So if you have a big enough home office space, these two pieces will go together nice. So just a nice simple metal desk with the clear glass top. That is great right there for $280. Not bad at all because it is a decent sized desk. Another bookshelf, but kind of like you can use it as a bookshelf, you can use it as a regular storage shelf, but just something nice and simple. $280 for that piece right there. And it's kind of like in that mid-size, like the height of it. This coffee table, loved it. $1,000. It's big. You need like a big space for this. It's not for a small space, but I love the curves on it, and then the glass top on that one right there. This one, another interesting one. Okay, so it definitely gives reclaimed wood. When I was looking at it, I was like, this looks like used wood, like reclaimed wood, but I love the way they pieced it together. And then when I look at the tag did say reclaimed wood, so $300 for that one right there, and it's a decent size. So yeah, if you like that type of stuff. This lamp, at first I thought it was broken, but it was leaning because the way they had it there, but just real pretty. $100 for that one right there. You could put some pretty bulbs in there because you know they sell all kind of different bulbs, and that'll make a really nice look. These chairs, we saw these before, but they just like, they kind of pop out so much. So $400 for those. So if you're looking for some nice accent chairs, this mirror, humongous, you can, it's like you can see it's almost to the ceiling, humongous, just love it. Like the way the glass is cut, it's laid, love it. I was trying to show you the lady walking by so you can see how big it is. $600 for that one right there. I think that is a great price for a mirror of that size. This piece of artwork right here, I love it. It's something about when you put the glass on top, kind of give me that Z Gallery look. So $80 for that piece right there. If you, yeah, because my dog is in need of a new stroller, but if you have a pet, then you know the pet section is always great. So $100 for this, and this is a cute little stroller. I love when it has storage underneath, so you can put the extra little things you need. But yeah, that was a great one. Baskets, they always have a ton of baskets and stuff, but I like these right here. And then they had them, and you can see all these different sizes, and the price range didn't really change that much. So $25 for the smaller one, and then $30 for the bigger one. So the price range really didn't change that much between them. So if you're looking for some baskets, those are cute. You should grab those. This right here, we know I love a room divider. And this one right here kind of gave you that travel look, and it was on clearance too. $200. You can see the little cutouts with the bells. It just looks like, you know, someplace traveled. Love that with the cuts in the wood. This outdoor set, because I love a black piece of furniture, and then the cream on it, love it. It just goes together so nice. So you would get those two chairs, you get the cushions, and you get the little table there, the little side table. So this makes a nice little set, and that is only $400 for that. Those, I think that's a set too. So for $400, I think it comes with that table right there. So the other chairs just stacked underneath there. This little set I thought was cute. So you get all three pieces of these, and they kind of all have a different shape. So you can pair these together. You can pair them, you know, around your house. So $30 for that set, not bad at all, because that's basically $10 for each one. This one reminded me, I don't know if you're into Superman, but his little palace, his little, you know, where he goes away to, $20 for that. This right here, I love the colors in it. So just a little box you can keep on your vanity, keep your stuff in it. $17 for that one. Thought that one was great. This chair, just a little office chair, for $100, just like the colors of it. So it just caught my eye. And then the office chair that they have behind it, so for $180, love like the distressed. I love a distressed look in leather, and then like that color. These I thought were so pretty, but they are sensitive, I'm assuming, because okay, it's $20, but that one says hello and has a little floral. That one was supposed to say relax, but you can see it's broken. So I'm assuming you got to be careful with those. They have a ton of, if you're looking for gift wrapping for Mother's Day, for any holidays coming up, you might want to grab it. Then they had a ton of cards, the little pop-up cards. So these are so pretty. So $3, $4. I have like a Cricut. You can make something like this with your Cricut, but it would take you like a ton of work. So for $3, $4, not bad at all. Just a pop-up card is real pretty. This planter for outside, I thought was so nice. The colors, the blue, the way it looked. And it was only $200, and it's a decent size, and it is sturdy. So, you know, a lot of times with tall planters, you're about to knock it over. That is not going anywhere. Another nice bird bath right here. The color is $80 for that one. And you can see you can take these apart. So if you want to get it home. So yeah, you might want to head over to HomeGoods and see what yours has right now.